Hello everyone, I'm over here at Best Body Shop. I had them do some work on my Envoy and some detailing, and I'm telling you what, I am really pleased with the way this thing's turned out for us. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you a picture of the detail work that these guys have done on my Envoy. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks fantastic. The detail work is just unbelievable. What a great group of people to work with. They've been very cooperative and very good about what they've done. I recommend this group when you need auto body repair. There it is. I'm going to go in and talk to them, pick up my Envoy. Talk to you soon. You're live.
What's going on?
Hey, I wanted to tell you, I thank you for everything that you've done for me. And my Envoy looks just incredible. And in Wichita, if you need body work, you got to go to Best Body Shop. Boom. Right here it is. Here's the man. Here's the gal and the other gentleman that helps make this thing happen.
That's awesome.
I can't thank you enough, guys.
Absolutely. That's what we're here for.
Thanks a lot.